The Chronon recording server allows you to record the entire execution of any Java program running on any machine in your entire organization. This way, if the Java program runs into any issues or breaks for some reason, you can just download the recording from that machine and play it back on any other machine using our special time traveling debugger. So it's almost like a software DVR of sorts, in that you can just play back the entire execution on any machine anytime you want. So over here we see a bunch of machines connected to the recording server. You see a QA machine, staging server, testing server, production server, and you can attach a whole bunch of machines to the recording server without any degradation in performance. If I click on any machine, it shows me all the Java applications that are managed on this machine. And these applications can be any kind of Java application. It can be a Swing application, a J2EE application, or any other Java application. It doesn't matter. If we click on the application, it shows me the status of the Chronon recorder and all the previous recordings that were made for this application. Now with the recording server, we are introducing a new mode in the Chronon recorder, which is the server mode. And the server mode is designed specifically to allow the Chronon recorder to be controlled from the recording server. One of the big features of the server mode in the Chronon recorder is the ability to dynamically start and stop recording in a running Java application. So over here we have this small Swing application, and all it does is it shows me this dialog box when I click this button. And right now it's not being recorded as shown on this control panel over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start recording this application. And now everything that I do in this application is going to be recorded by the Chronon recorder. Note that between the starting of the recorder inside the application, there was no pauses at all. So there's no pause at all in your application when you start or stop the recorder dynamically. The user doesn't even have to know that the recorder was started or stopped. Now, since the recorder is running, everything I do over here is going to be recorded by the Chronon recorder. And if I want to turn off recording, I can just go ahead and stop the recording. And my application continues to run without any pauses. Now, since this is going to be used on server machines which tend to run for long periods of time, we have redesigned the Chronon recorder to allow recording for really long periods of time, and can be days or months at a time. You can just keep on recording. So we also have these special settings for the Chronon recorder now, which allow you to split the recording every few intervals to keep the recording size from getting larger. So in this case, you can split the recording every hour, and every hour a new recording will be created, so the individual recording size does not get too large. You can also tell the Chronon recording server to flush any recordings that are too old. So in this case, any recording that is older than 30 days, we probably don't need it because there are probably not any bugs in it. So the Chronon recording server will just get rid of those old recordings so they don't keep occupying disk space in your machine. Now, since we recorded this application, we can just download the recording for this application, and then we can debug it in our special time traveling debugger.